So now we're deciding which one's bigger and smaller. Now remember, when we have integers, we want to think about a number line. And we're really looking at the numbers farthest on the left to the left on this number line are going to be the smallest. So where do these numbers fall? Like, let's look at -6, for example. -6 would be 6 away from 0. Okay, -12 would be 12 away from 0, but farther to the left, right? The zeros extend in this direction, just like the positives extend upwards in this direction. Maybe we'd have our 1 value right here, we'd have 3 right here, maybe 2 right here, right? And then that -2 value would be somewhere around here. And now we can do a quick comparison. Anything to the left is going to be the smallest. So you might think -12 would be bigger than -6. It's in fact the opposite. -12 is farther down the line, down the number line, than -6. It's a smaller quantity. Therefore, -12 is less than -6. 3, of course, is greater than 1. And finally, 2. Once again, 2 is farther to the right than -2. 2 is greater than -2. But any positive number is going to be greater than a negative number.